How to fix Instagram security code not received. So if you're facing a problem with the Instagram security code, or if you're not receiving the code on your Instagram, then what you can do is simply open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications, and here go for see all apps, and you can open up your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, now here on the first option you will have notifications, right? Tap on notifications, and then if you have turned off your notifications, then simply turn that on. And after turning on your notifications, now you will receive the code so that you can log into your account or do anything with that code. But if you have your notifications on and if you're still not receiving the message, then you can check your internet connection. Like if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might be facing that kind of problem. Or if that's not the case, then you can open up your Play Store, and then you can go for the search bar and search for Instagram. And after searching, if you have an update option, then you can go for update. But if you don't have an update option, then you can go for uninstall, which is on the left side. And after that, you can again install it from your App Store or your Play Store, and then you can log into your account. And now this might work. So that's it. These were the few fixes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.